Okay, so the other night I went to bed and did the standard Windows update, and then when I woke up the next morning and I opened Outlook, I noticed that there's a silly bar that was on the side that used to be down below, and I wanted to move it back and I couldn't figure it out. So once I figured it out, I thought I'd show everybody else how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is hit your Windows key and your R key at the same time, which will bring up Registry Editor. And then once you get that up, you can type in regedit, all one word, and then your registry will pop up. The first thing you need to make sure it's all collapsed, so you start at the beginning, is look for your H key, current user. Then scroll down to software, open up software, and then scroll down until you find Microsoft. My Microsoft already was open, so you double click Microsoft, it opens up, and then at that point you scroll down until you find Office. Once you're at Office, double click that, it opens up. You're looking for 16.0, so you click 16.0 and you go down to your common folder. Within the common folder, you're going to go to Experiments Escape, or ECS. And under Experiments ECS, you're going to look for Overrides. So you click on the Overrides button, and then that'll bring up your registries. Now, mine doesn't exist. If you have one already in there, you can just edit it. But let's add the one that's missing in mine. So then hover over New and then click String Value. And then I want you to type in Microsoft.office.outlook.hub.hubbar. So we're going to create the registry that it is not there. And then once you have that done, you just hit the Enter button. Now, double click the registry you just created, and we're going to rename the string value, and we're going to call it false. So that's all it is. We're going to add the bar ourselves. We're going to call it false so it does not load when the program loads. So at this point you can close out your registry editor and you can go back to Windows Outlook and you can open it, and boom, it's back to normal where it was without the new stuff. So hopefully this works for you. If not, go back, check all your spellings, and if this worked for you, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks.